At 5 a.m., all the Millers can think about is that first get-you-going cup of coffee. That eye-opening, fill-the-kitchen aroma of Folgers crystals. It all begins with mountain-grown beans, fresh brewed, then crystallized, for a deep, dark, rich coffee just waiting to become your welcome to the day. There's no other coffee that kicks off the Miller's morning like Folgers crystals.
The best part of waking up is Folgers in your cup.
Agua. Agua, por favor. Agua.
I ain't got no water.
Agua.
Told you I ain't got no agua. You speak English? Where's the last guy? Ultima hombre, last man standing. There must have been one. Where'd he go? I reckon I go out the way I come in.
Hey, Lord.
There ain't no Lobos.
Give me a count.
Tier 3 south. Clear.
Tier 4 north, clear path.
Tier 3 north.
Clear path.
Man missing on Tier 2, cell 245.
Dufresne! Get your ass out here, boy. You're holding up the show. Don't make me come down there. I'll thump your skull for you. Dufresne, you're putting me behind. I got a schedule to keep. You better be sick or dead in there. I shoot you not. You hear me? Oh, my holy God.
I want every man on this cell block questioned. Start with that friend of his. Who? Him.
Open 237.
What do you mean he just wasn't here? Don't say that to me, Hate. Don't say that to me again.
But, sir, he wasn't.
I could see that, Hate. Think I'm blind? Is that what you're saying? Am I blind, Hate?
No, sir.
What about you? You blind? Tell me what this is.
Last night's count.
Mm-hmm. You see Dufresne's name there? I sure do. See, right there. Dufresne. He was in his cell at lights out. Stands to reason he'd still be here in the morning. I want him found. Not tomorrow, not after breakfast. Now!
Yes, sir. Let's go, let's go. Move your butts. Move it!
Stand.
Well,
Well, what?
I see you two all the time. You're thick as thieves, you are. He must have said something.
Not so, Warden. Not a word.
Lord, it's a miracle! Man up and vanished like a fart in the wind. Nothing left but some damn rocks on the windowsill. And that cupcake on the wall. Let's ask her. Maybe she knows. What say you there, fussy britches? Do you like talking? Ah, guess not. Why should she be any different? This is a conspiracy. That's what this is. One big damn conspiracy! And everyone's in on it! Including her.
Are you watching closely?
Every magic trick consists of 3 parts or acts. The first part is called the pledge. The magician shows you something ordinary, a deck of cards or a bird or a man. He shows you this object. Perhaps he asks you to inspect it to see that it is indeed real, unaltered, normal. But of course, it probably isn't.
Whoa, where do you think you're going?
Part of the bloody act, you fool!
The second act is called the turd. The magician takes the ordinary something and makes it do something extraordinary. Now, you're looking for the secret, but you won't find it. Because of course, you're not really looking. You don't really want to know. You want to be fooled. But you wouldn't clap yet. Because making something disappear isn't enough. You have to bring it back. That's why every magic trick has a third act. The hardest part. The part we call the prestige.
Horse-drawn open cars. We'll see the shows at Delmonico's. We'll come home until we kiss our girl. Just like a dream, your spirit seemed to turn about. That Sunday shine is a certain that makes you feel brand new down to your toes. Get out your feathers, your feathers, your feet are muffled and bold. Oh, there's no blue Monday in your Sunday, no Monday.